Are you struggling to sell your home this summer? I'm going to give you 3 tips for selling your home quickly when the market is in a stall and is turning down. Right now we're experiencing a lot of turbulence in the market. Prices have flatlined, inventory is going up, and of course everybody knows the story about high interest rates, which are keeping sellers from putting their homes on the market, and it's keeping buyers out of the market. You can't treat this market like it was 2021 or 2022. Things have changed, and if you need to get your home sold, you have to be very realistic on price. So the very first thing that you need to consider is pricing your house correctly. When the market is shifting the way that it is, it's devastating if you overprice your home. It's just like trying to catch a falling knife. You'll constantly be behind with every price adjustment. So it's very important to price it right in the beginning. And then if you need to do price reductions, do them quickly within the first couple of weeks, and be very decisive with them and get ahead of the market with pricing. So key point number 2 is the condition and accessibility of your home. Coming to market with everything in order and in the best condition possible is key, especially when there's a lot, as our inventory is increasing and the competition is increasing and other sellers are making price cuts. Condition is a big deal. It costs a lot of money to update homes, and if your home is out of date, really think about, making those updates to your home. Key point number 3 is your marketing strategy. Constantly be reassessing it. Make sure that your agent is following up with everyone that shows the house and getting feedback and making adjustments as necessary. And if your home isn't selling, ask your agent to do what we call here on the coast a broker's open, where during the week the agent will invite a lot of agents from not only their company but other companies to come through the house and provide feedback, usually in written form. And if you can get 10 to 20 agents to come through there, they can help you pick out those key issues that buyers might be having with your property. Also, just following up and constantly putting the home out there is key to getting a home sold. So if you're looking for an agent that can help you get your home sold and create a great marketing plan and strategy for you, you can always give us a call. We'd be glad to do a strategy session, come by, take a look at your home, make recommendations on getting it up to date, any major issues that might stick out to buyers. That way you can start addressing them. We'd be glad to come over and do that. Also do a market analysis for you on your home and show you what has happened in the past, what's happening now, and what we think will happen in the future. It's very key to get the process started early. That way you can make all the adjustments and we're not in a big rush to get your home to the market. That way we can get your home market ready. We're looking forward to working with you. If you're in the market to buy, sell, or even invest in real estate, you can always reach out to me. Love to have a conversation about that. I'm Brian David with Expect Realty, and you can always reach out to me with even your smallest real estate question. If you're in the market to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, or even know someone that is, please share this video with them. I'd love to help you or them out.